Hi friends, welcome to my video. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you have been well. I know it's been a very long time, and I don't know, I guess I needed a break and I didn't really know what to do to get back into it. But when I took my trip to Portugal, I thought, well, this is the perfect opportunity. So I caught a flight from Dublin to Faro and then a taxi to my accommodation in Lagos. There's a little map. And it's such a beautiful country, Portugal. And I couldn't help but feel immediately relaxed and chilled out and ready to be creative, having walked around and seen the relaxed atmosphere and all the beautiful sights there was to see. When I was there, I used to get up in the morning and go out and do my sketches and do my sightseeing, and then when it got really hot, I would go and have a little nap or be at home and do some painting on some of the sketches I did. So it was really wonderful just to kind of take in the culture, and with my sketchbook is the perfect company because I can sit there and be completely happy and just do my sketching. Sometimes I would go for a cup of tea in the morning and get some little custard cakes, which are Portuguese traditional kind of cake food, but they're really yummy. And then it was, for me, bringing my sketchbook and exploring the city and taking it in with my sketchbook is the perfect way to experience it. Because you look at things with more detail, what I do anyway, and you notice all those little details that maybe you would miss if you just walked by. There's those custard cakes, yummy. But anyway, that's it. That's kind of basically it. And if anyone out there, all my fellow creatives out there, if you're feeling that urge to pull out your sketchbook, maybe a day out or a little holiday is the perfect way to kind of push yourself into it. When you see all the new and wonderful and interesting things and places of somewhere fresh, it kind of reinvigorates your creativity. So it makes me want to be creative and draw and explore the place. But that's all I've got for today. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave a comment below if you've got any questions about sketching, drawing, art related, travel sketchbooks, whatever it is you need in the art related arena. Anyway, have a lovely day. Bye for now. Bye.